So I don't know how long this is gonna be, but I had to pull over because I can't even see driving. We got heavy hail, extreme rain going on right now, and I followed a coupling down the road, and now I'm stuck. I can't move anywhere because of how crazy the conditions just got. Take a look. Oh, wow. What's up here? Oh my God. It's been getting work on time. Raining because it's coming down so hard. The thing too with these, oh, look at all the lightning. The, these extremely dynamic systems. I mean, this this event's very, very rare to happen. I really saw the probability of it kind of occurring maybe 2 days ago on Friday, uh, when everything started to shift a little bit more and started to some of the stuff became a little bit more clear. Riding up right up on that part of this is really not the best. Sorry, dude. Yeah, so probably gonna wind up getting off of the highway soon. Take back roads.